Hey girl, hey, welcome to PJ's World. And today, y'all, as y'all can see, I'm in the kitchen and I'm making some neck bone soup. Okay, this is my mama's recipe. This is my first time making this, I think. Brandon said I made it before, but I don't remember. Maybe I did, but anyway, I have my ingredients here, so I'm gonna show y'all those and we'll get right started. Okay, so the first thing I have right here, obviously, these are the neck bones. And I got 2 packs of those. And then my mama told me I need some tomato paste, some stewed tomatoes, and then some frozen vegetables. And she said that's all I need. So now I have rinsed off my little neck bones, as you can see. So they clean now. So all you have to do now is just put them in some boiling water. Well, the water doesn't even have to be boiling yet. Mine isn't. And go ahead and just put it in the pots. Okay. Boom. But this right here is what's gonna give us all the flavor, these neck bones, baby. Look at that. So we got a pot full of neck bones, you guys.
Got a pot full of neck bones.
Okay, so I'm gonna let those boil for however long it takes them. I don't know how long it's gonna take yet. Like I said, I don't recall ever making this, but I'm assuming maybe these neck bones, they're not that thick. I don't know, maybe like an hour and a half, 2, I don't know. No, maybe about 2 hours. Maybe about 2 hours, a little over 2, I don't know, something like that. But once they're done boiling, I will let you know. Okay, be back. Okay, so as you can see, here are my neck bones. So these are done. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and dump everything in here. So that's the stewed tomatoes. You gotta say something. Here's some veggies. Okay, just dump those in there. There we go. Okay, and now here's a tomato paste. Okay. And then we're just gonna add a little salt and pepper. Okay, so now we done added that in there. Now we're gonna stir that up and just put it on the heat for a little while, you know, let the flavors get to know each other a little better. After everything get warmed up, come back to it, taste it. Maybe you need to add you a little more salt or a little more pepper. But that's all. Now leave it on this heat for a few minutes. And once mine is all the way done, then I'll be back and let y'all see what it look like. Let me let y'all see my little neck bone soup now. Y'all see what it's looking like? Is the camera picking up on that goodness? Look at this. And again, this is my mama recipe, okay? Shout out to Trisha Ann. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put me some in a bowl. And then we'll do a taste test. You know, I do a little taste test with you guys. Here goes some for y'all. There you go. There you go. Wipe your mouth. And here is my neck bone soup. Look at that. Yum, 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 baby, yum, 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 baby, yum. Y'all see that? Ain't nobody in that bone soup took mine. Ain't nobody in that bone soup like this. Hey. Don't you wish you had some of this right now? So let's do a taste test. That's good. It tastes just like my mama's too. And my mama could throw down. So that's how I know it good. Because it tastes just like hers. So Ma, if you watch this video right now, you know what you be doing. You know what you be doing in that kitchen now. So try this out. I'm about to knock right now, so try to, if you like, I can't even say it.
Make you some soup. Neck bone soup.
So this is how you make neck bone soup. It's really good. Shout out to Trisha, okay, my mama, this is her recipe here. And yeah, y'all try this recipe out. If you try it, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. And also if you have any questions or need advice from a real G like me, send it over to askpj247@gmail.com. And you know, I'll respond to you via video. Y'all hear this about some neck bone soup. Boy, I tell you, I'm trying to be a little YouTuber, but people keep...
Neck bone soup.
Neck bone soup.
Girl, bye.